In today's video, I will show you how to sign up with PPC Center. First, go to our website ppccenter.com. On the upper right corner of the page, you will see the Start Here button. You'll be asked to log in with Amazon. Once you click the button, you will be directed to log in using your Amazon email and password. It will also ask you to enter your Amazon OTP. On the next page, it will ask you to allow access for PPC Center. Just click the Allow button to move to the next step. The next page is for your contact information. Enter your contact number. Then click the Continue Onboarding button. The next step is to choose your marketplace. Once you have added your marketplace, your ASIN will appear in the box below for you to choose which products to sign up with us. You also need to input your PPC goals. For example, let's put increase sales and improve my spend. Note that you can add multiple products during your initial sign-up. After choosing your ASIN, you'll need to enter the following details before you can proceed to the checkout page. You will be asked to enter the following per ASIN. Profit margin. The profit margin we are looking for is the percentage after considering all Amazon fees. You will also be asked to enter the budget you are comfortable spending in a day for the product. You also have the option to add keywords, but it is optional. After completing the following details, click the Next button to move on to the checkout page to enter your credit card details. Once you've completed the checkout page, your data will be forwarded to our system, and then your account dashboard will be created 12 hours after your subscription is complete. And another confirmation within 24 hours once your campaigns are created. Once your account dashboard is created, you can log in to account.ppccenter.com. After logging in, you need to choose the account type and marketplace to see your data on the dashboard. Here, we will choose the seller account and a US marketplace. To manage your account, click the Settings in the left panel. To add new ASINs, click the Subscriptions tab and click the Edit button to see the Manage ASIN button. You can use the plus or minus option to add and/or remove products. Cancellation of your account can also be done on the same tab. Just above the Manage ASIN is the Cancel Subscription button. We also have the automation feature available on your account dashboard. We have a separate video on how to use the automation feature. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.